Hello everyone out there, how are you all doing? I'm Kate Hill and welcome to one of my monthly special features. And today we're going to talk about the city of Logan in Queensland. Now we do give you the best, honest, balanced commentary and content on our channel, so before we do anything else, please let me ask you to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you get all our expert hints and tips and news around buying, owning and investing in property as soon as we post them. And please, if you are enjoying our free content, you are finding it useful, then click on the all-important like button too. We really appreciate your support. For those of you who know me, skip the intro here so you can get straight into it. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you found us and please do keep watching. To explain who the heck I am and what qualifies me to be sitting here talking to you about property, buying, owning and investing, me and my team are professionals in property. We have been in real estate for a really long time, advising and helping people. We've seen most things happen, we've gone through cycles, and we ourselves own and invest in property. We attend auctions, we appraise, analyse and buy property all the time. We are out there 24/7 at the property coalface. We are also qualified property investment advisors. And there aren't many of us out there, let me tell you. We don't get paid by anyone to sell you property. And we do genuinely care about empowering you to get the best outcomes for yourselves. And we are experts at what we do. So I'm hoping that that has convinced you. Okay, so why do we research an area? Well, I really firmly believe that sound research and careful property screening are essential components of building a successful property investment portfolio. I also think that detailed and meticulous due diligence and property selection can help keep a property buyer safer and help mitigate against the risks of making costly mistakes. During our area research and selection process, we access 10 key aspects of the area to determine whether it meets our strict criteria. So I generally refer to this list of qualifying criteria as our area top 10. We look at everything from infrastructure to the local industries, the economics, population. We assess the surroundings and the environment. We look at supply and demand of rentals and sales, the yields, the cash flow, and finally, what I would call the word on the street, all those things, that little nitty-gritty that internet research is not going to tell you. So let's talk about the city of Logan. Logan is situated within the heart of one of Australia's most rapidly growing regions, southeast Queensland. With Queensland's capital Brisbane to the north and the tourist hotspot of the Gold Coast to the south, the city of Logan bridges that gap between two really vibrant and important economic centres. Logan is uniquely positioned at the centre of the main transport corridor in southeast Queensland and one of the most important economic corridors in Australia. It has direct access to 3 major arterial networks, 2 international airports, the Brisbane Port, Freight, Rail and the Brisbane to Sydney passenger rail line. So due to this position, as well as the quickly growing population and the affordable land, infrastructure investment, the city of Logan has been strong. Several multinational corporations and fast-growing startups have moved into this region. Logan, along with nearby Ipswich, is predicted to grow more by percentage than any other council in the region in the next 20 years. The city of Logan is one of Queensland's fastest growing communities and home to 2 of Queensland's priority development areas at Greater Flagstone and Yarrabilba. The city is attracting significant amounts of government funding, especially on transport infrastructure projects, while the Logan Hospital is marked for a $460 million upgrade. There are plans to further develop a health and knowledge precinct linking Logan Hospital, Logan TAFE and Griffith University. Several new schools are planned and under construction already, and shopping centres are expanding. And all this brings a freshness to the city with additional retail and entertainment. The local council is also attracting business investment with incentives that are successfully creating local employment. The Logan Enhancement Project was a $512 million road upgrade project executed by Transurban Queensland. It was completed in August 2019 and included widening sections of the Logan and Gateway motorways, improving key congestion hotspots on highways, motorways, and at interchanges, and constructing new on and off ramps on the Gateway motorway. The project was designed to unlock the economic potential of the Logan region, as well as business, freight hubs in Brisbane's west and north. It will reduce travel times, enhance connectivity to key residential and business areas, and also future-proof the whole network. The project is estimated to generate around $1.2 billion in economic benefits for Queensland residents over the next 30 years. The Logan Hospital expansion is one of Queensland's largest ever hospital expansions. The project will cost approximately $460 million and will deliver 4 new floors, 206 new beds, treatment spaces, upgraded maternity and birthing services, and a new mental health decision unit. There are a number of planned town centre upgrades. Logan Central is the civic heart and retail service centre, and the Logan Central Implementation Project received $5 million to strengthen this area as an economic and cultural precinct. Council offices and chambers, the local entertainment centre and major retail centres are located there. Works will include improved recreational, retail and streetscaped roads. The newer suburb of Meadowbrook, designated as a specialist centre in health, research and education in the South East Queensland Regional Plan 2009 to 2031, features a health and knowledge precinct with Logan Hospital, Logan TAFE and Griffith University campus. The Meadowbrook Implementation Project has also received millions of dollars in funding to strengthen this region as the health and well-being precinct. Works will include things like parking and cycling facilities, streetscaping on the main street, which is Logan Lee Road, a new pedestrian crossing, and the establishment of a Meadowbrook leadership group to champion Meadowbrook as Logan's premier destination for healthcare and education. And as I mentioned earlier on, Logan's hospital is also being expanded. The Beenleigh Implementation Project will see upgrades to the town square, including PA system and more opportunities for events, shade, trees and public art. And in addition, a new parking system will be introduced to the area and streetscaping will take place on the main streets. Logan City has a specific focus on each of the following industries: transport and logistics, food and beverage, agricultural technology, health and aged care, and tourism. Logan City has an $11 billion economy and a gross regional product which has been steadily rising. And while the unemployment rate in Logan has often been higher than the Queensland average, jobs figures have also been climbing every year for the past few years. The population of Logan City is currently 334,000, and this is expected to grow by more than 50% between 2018 to 2036 to around 500,000. The median age of people in the city of Logan is 34, which is younger than the national average of 38 years. Logan City's affordability is the key factor driving its property market. And it's young families and first home buyers, a pattern that's expected to continue, who are buying here. Another key driver to the Logan property market is the increasing price of properties in the neighbouring Gold Coast, especially as vacant land becomes scarce in that region. Selling agents have reported an increase in migration from the Gold Coast to the more affordable Logan City suburbs. House prices are more affordable in Logan compared with many areas of neighbouring Brisbane as well. Vacancy rates fluctuate a little here, but generally trend around the 3% mark. And Logan has really good and strong rental yields, which of course is attractive for investors. In terms of property type, if you're investing, then as I always say, and I urge caution, know what you're buying. Make sure you're buying the right property type for the people who live there. Know whether you're buying a 3 or a 4-bedroom house, you're buying a house or a unit or a townhouse. As we've seen, the region has the attention of the state government, which allocated $1.4 billion in infrastructure spending in the financial year 2020. Logan City Council has been working hard for a number of years to attract new businesses through its Investment Attraction Incentive Fund. This was thought up in 2018, and the fund is already responsible for securing 4 new businesses, which are expected to inject $34 million into the local economy, create 236 jobs in the next few months. These moves are accompanied by recent upgrades to the motorways, which we've talked about already. These have removed congestion spots, creating faster connection between Logan's western suburbs and Brisbane. And so, given its central location, good transport links, young workforce, Logan has thriving commercial, retail and manufacturing precincts, as well as health services and wholesale industries. So overall, affordability plus commuter roads, train links, plus proximity to jobs precincts is a powerful combination in driving good capital growth, which is part of Logan City's appeal. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. Hit that like button too. We do really appreciate your support. And I will see you again really soon. Bye.